हेलो स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 12th। तो आप लोगों की एक कंप्लेंट थी, एक शिकायत थी कि सर आप हिंदी मीडियम वाले बच्चों के लिए यही बना रहे हैं, इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले बच्चों से क्या नाता तोड़ लिया। ऐसी बात नहीं है बच्चों। टीचर कभी भी किसी माध्यम के बच्चों का नहीं होते हैं, टीचर दोनों माध्यम के होते हैं। तो लीजिए, आपके लिए भी हाफ ईयरली 2024-25 का जो क्लास 12th का फिजिक्स हुआ था उसके जो एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन और न्यूमेरिकल पोर्शंस लेकर आ गया हूँ। बाकी अगर इसके अलावा भी अगर आपको कोई अदर क्वेश्चन में भी डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। तो लीजिएगा, क्लास 12th हाफ ईयरली एमपी बोर्ड का 2024-25 का क्वेश्चन पेपर का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, जो कि हमारा क्या रहता है, एमसीक्यूज। इससे ही स्टार्ट करते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, एमसीक्यूज में पहला क्वेश्चन दिया है था, स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ अ वायर डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर। स्पेसिफिक रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द वायर जस्ट डिपेंड ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द मटेरियल एंड सेकंड टेम्परेचर ऑफ द मटेरियल। तो यहां पर जो आपको ऑप्शन 4 दिए थे, लेकिन मैं डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखता हूं, दो आंसर्स लिख देता हूं। एक तो किस पर डिपेंड करेगा, नेचर ऑफ द मटेरियल। किस पर डिपेंड करेगा बच्चों, नेचर ऑफ द मटेरियल। अगर आपके पास ऑप्शन हो और मटेरियल का ऑप्शन आ जाए तो वो कर दीजिए, या हो सकता है टेम्परेचर ऑफ द मटेरियल, टेम्परेचर ऑफ द मटेरियल, इस पर भी डिपेंड कर सकता है। क्लियर है सभी को? तो अभी हमारे इसमें जो क्वेश्चन पेपर में आया था उसमें आएगा नेचर ऑफ द मटेरियल। दूसरे क्वेश्चन पर आते हैं, द मिनिमम चार्ज होना प्रोटॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन। चलिए, प्रोटॉन का पूछा है तो मिनिमम चार्ज ऑन प्रोटॉन जो होता है वो प्लस 1.6 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर -19 कूलम होता है। अगर यही इलेक्ट्रॉन का पूछते तो कितना लिखते बच्चों आप, -1.6 इंटू 10 पावर -19 कूलम। ये माइनस में हो जाता है। तो अभी इसका आंसर हमारा कौन सा आएगा, ये सी ऑप्शन, सी क्वेश्चन है। When a capacitor of capacity C is given a charge Q, the energy stored in capacitor। इसके तीन ऑप्शन में से जो भी हो वो आप लगा लीजिएगा। तो देखिए, सबसे पहले एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन कैपेसिटर जो होती है, एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन अ कैपेसिटर, एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन कैपेसिटर C is equal to half CV square। This is the expression of energy stored in capacitor when if you have given capacity or capacitance of the capacitor and potential difference. Otherwise, if you have given another value, like you know the formula Q is equal to CV. You know the value of Q is equal to CV, so you can put here the value of V. Then what will you get? Half. Instead of V you can write, so you can put the value of, instead of V you can put Q upon C. So if you are having C, so instead of V, Q upon C. So this is whole square. So Q square. So this will be half, and this is Q square upon C square. So one C cancel by this. Another expression will be this. And instead of C, if you are putting the value of Q upon V, then what? Half ही होगा. Then what is the value of C? Q upon V. Q upon V, and this is what, V square. Then another expression will be this. It means we are having three expression energy stored in capacitor. Very simple expression is half CV square. Another expression is Q square upon 2C. And third one expression, this is what, half or Q into V. There will be three expressions. जो भी whatever options you have given, you have to tick on that. Okay. Now this question is very large, but I am just going to explain the answer. I am just writing the answer of this question, and the answer will be this 2m upon pi. Now, how did I get this? Then if you have doubt, then you can ask. Then I will explain this. Okay. Now next one, E. You have given energy of photon. Energy of photon 6 electron volt and maximum kinetic energy 4 electron volt. Then what will be stopping potential? So we have expression maximum kinetic energy is equal to E V naught, means E into V naught. So whatever value you have given, you have to put the value of this K max is 4 electron volt, and the value of E you know very well, and V naught you have to get then V naught will be here, then here will be 4 electron volt and this upon E. E get cancelled and now stopping potential will be 4 volt. Is this clear bachcho? Now the phase difference between V and I. Suppose they are giving you R circuit. In case of R circuit, phase difference becomes 0. In case of C circuit, phase difference is equal to plus pi by 2, and in case of L circuit, phase difference will be minus pi by 2. This phase difference between voltage and current. I hope आपको जो क्वेश्चन दिया रहेगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप आंसर टिक कर लेंगे. Okay, so we have done MCQ portion. Then if you are not getting anything you can ask in comment box. Now next question Phillips, right? Now potential blank on moving along the direction of electric field. We know the expression E is equal to minus dV upon dr or dx we can write. What is indicating this? This indicating in the direction of electric field potential decreases. So here you will write decreases. What will you write? Decreases. It means potential decreases on moving along the direction of electric field. Now SI unit of mobility. What is the expression of mobility? Mobility denoted by mu, and this is called VD, drift velocity divided by E. Drift velocity is that SI unit of drift velocity meter per second, and SI unit of electric field volt upon meter. You can write meter upon second and meter upon volt. So this meter square upon volt into second. So this will be SI unit of mobility. Another may be, okay, the air bubble in water behaves as concave lens. Which lens? It behaves as a concave lens because the density of refractive index of air is less than refractive index of water. That's why it behaves like a concave lens. Okay, variable electric field produces. You know the expression epsilon naught d phi E upon dt. Variable electric flux produces electric current, and this current is known as a displacement current. And you know phi E you can write as a E into A. It means variable electric field produces which current? Displacement current. Which current? Displacement current. So you can write answer. Time varying electric flux produces displacement current, or time varying electric field produces displacement current. Next question. Alpha particle is nucleus of helium. Helium nucleus is alpha particle nucleus. In hydrogen atom, Planck spectrum lies in ultraviolet region. So this will be Lyman series. Lyman ultraviolet region, Warmer visible region, and remaining Lyman, Warmer, Paschen, Brackett and Pfund. These found in infrared region. You have to remember this thing, right? Now question number 3. True and false. The number of electrons emitted in photoelectric effect does not depend upon the intensity of incident radiation. No. Number of electrons means we can call photocurrent. These depends on intensity of incident radiation. So what is this? This is false. Right? Next. Electron volt is the unit of charge. No. Electron volt is the unit of energy. So this is also false. Next. A wave is associated with each moving particle. Yes. And the name of that wave is what? Matter wave. What is this? Matter wave. Definition. This is the definition of matter wave. So de Broglie waves we can call. Okay. So this is true. Next. In an atom the orbits of electrons are quantized. Yes. True. Now, in hydrogen atom, Paschen series lies in infrared region. No, this is false. I hope you got it. Okay, next question. Question number 4, match the column. Question number 4, match the column. Snell's law. Remember one thing, if there is a Snell's law and concept is related to refraction. So what is Snell's law is related to refraction. So the match is this. Now reflecting telescope, if the matter of reflecting telescope, this is invented by Cassegrain scientist, that's why we can call reflecting telescope match. Right match is what? Cassegrain. Two slit experiment of interference. Two slit experiment of interference is related to what? Young's double slit experiment, YDAC. Okay. Next, optical fiber is related to total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. Now, plane wavefront created by a point source and this source is at infinity. So here this will be right answer for light source at infinity. Inductive reactance, definitely last one is this one column. Okay, I hope you understood this concept. Then also if you find any doubt, then you can ask. And you have to remember some more things related to same concept. Maybe next examination they can ask related things, not this question, maybe ask related question. That's why you have to keep these related things. Okay, next question number 5. One word or one sentence. In the condition of resonance, is the current flowing through LCR series maximum or minimum? So in case of impedance minimum but current maximum, so here related to current, this is what maximum. Write the mathematical formula of Ampere's circuital law. Closed line integration of magnetic field is equal to mu naught times I enclosed. This is the mathematical expression of Ampere's circuital law. Now, what is the direction of magnetic movement of bar magnet? You know, bar magnet is this, north pole, south pole. So the direction of magnetic dipole moment, suppose this is magnetic dipole moment, so you can see easily in simple manner the direction of magnetic dipole moment from south pole to north pole. Write the name of wave having minimum wavelength in electromagnetic spectrum. You have to remember that expression, red man in violet uniform with X gun. Gun means gamma. Gamma जो radiation होता है, this is having highest frequency and minimum wavelength. So minimum wavelength gamma radiation. Minimum wavelength gamma radiation. This is the right answer. In which position the refracted ray inside the prism becomes parallel to the baseline of prism? This is triangular shape of the prism, angle of prism, and this BC is the baseline. You know this, this, and this. Now this should be parallel to this, and for this angle of incidence should be equal to angle of emergence. Angle of emergence means the condition is called minimum angle of deviation. Answer, what will be the answer of this? At minimum angle of deviation. This should be answer of this question. Okay, bachcho, are you getting? Next. Question number 8. Now this is a numerical part. So calculate the energy stored in a coil of inductance 100 Henry due to flow of 4 ampere current. Very simple solution. We know energy stored in inductor half L I square. You have given the value of L. This is what? 100 Henry, and the value of current is 4. And the square of this. So half into 100 into 4 4 is 16. So 2 8. This is what? 8 0 0 0 8 1 is 8. And what is this? Energy. Energy means joule. Energy means joule. Next question. Question number 10. I am having question paper. So question number 10, we have to see what is question number 10. Okay, I have to read this. A radio can tune any station in 7.5 megahertz to 12 megahertz. What is the corresponding wavelength band? You have given frequency band. Means suppose nu 1 is equal to 7.5 megahertz. Okay, and nu 2 you have given 12 megahertz. And in both things, what is common thing? C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is frequency band. Frequency band. So now you can use lambda is equal to C upon nu, and this is 1 means this is also 1. So what is lambda 1? C value is 3 into 10 to the power 8, and nu 1 you have given the value of 7.5. What is the value of omega? 10 to the power 6. So 10 to the power 6. Decimal remove, then this is 30 divided by 75. This is what? 100. 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 6, 100. There will be 10 to the power 2, and you can write this 3000 divided by 75, and 25 3 ja 75, and 25 4. 25, you can cancel out whatever answer you will get. 25 1 ja 25, and how many this? 5. 25 2 ja 50 and 0, and 3 4 ja 12, 40 meter. This is 40 meter. In similar manner, lambda 2 C upon nu 2, and what is this? 3 into 10 to the power 8, and what is this? 12, 10 to the power 6. This cancel, and this 10 to the power 2 is remaining. Now what is this? 3 4 ja 12. This is what? 100 divided by 4, and this is what? 25. So what is the wavelength band? And this is 25 meter to 40 meter. Okay, 10 का आपको मैंने ये मेन क्वेश्चन बताया है. 10 का और भी देख लेते हैं. 10 का पहले और देख लेते हैं, फिर 14 वाला जो न्यूमेरिकल है वो भी देखेंगे. 10 का और देखते हैं बच्चों. 489 नैनोमीटर monochromatic light of wavelength 589 nanometer incident from air on water surface. What is the wavelength, frequency and speed of refractive index of water? Means light is entering from rarer medium to denser. मतलब ये सपोज कीजिए एयर है और ये वाटर है, और ये वाटर का आपको क्या दिया है? रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स. सॉरी, वाटर लिखना पड़ेगा मुझे. क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? वाटर. तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर 1.33 दिया है. लाइट रेयर मीडियम से डेंसर मीडियम में जाती है, एंड यू नो द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर इज मोर देन रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ एयर. रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ एयर इज 1. तो आपको पता है क्या क्या चेंज नहीं होता? फ्रीक्वेंसी डजंट चेंज, राइट? एनर्जी also doesn't change. Rarer to denser, if we are talking about rarer to denser, then wavelength decreases and speed also decreases. ये याद रखिएगा. तो अभी हमें न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू दी है, तो वो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू भी निकाल सकते हैं हम. तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ वाटर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एयर इज इक्वल टू स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन एयर, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इन वाटर, राइट? So speed of light, you are given this, so you can write speed of light in water. VA is nothing but 3 into 10 power 8, and this you have given already 1.33 into 1.33 only. So if you will solve this, you will get 2.25 into 10 raised power 8 meter per second. This will be the speed of light in water. In similar manner, you have given wavelength of this monochromatic wave 589 nano means 10 power minus 9 meter. Now you can calculate in similar manner 1.33, and this is what lambda in air divided by lambda in water. So lambda in water, lambda in air 589 into 10 power minus 9 and divided by 1.33, and if you will, whatever value you will get this wavelength in water and frequency does not change. The answer of this question. Now question number 14, numerical portion. Question number 14, I am reading question. A circular coil of wire consisting of 100 turns each of 8 cm carries a electric current of 0.40 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field at the center of the coil? What is this? Center of the coil means what we are having? Magnetic field at the center of coil, and you know very well B is equal to mu naught Ni upon 2R. Now you have put all values of all. 4 pi into 10 power minus 7, this is the value of mu naught, and you have given number of turns 100, and the value of current also you have given 0.40, and to as it is the value of you have given R is 8 centimeter, means 8 into 10 to the power minus 2. If you will put all values and if you will calculate, then you will get the answer. 20, 1 cancel, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 25, 100, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 means 2.5 into 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 plus 2, and you will get 4 5 ja 20, 0 2, 4 2 ja 8, 8 and 2 10. 10. Okay, 10 pi into 10 to the power minus 5. So you can write pi is constant 10 power minus 4 near about this Tesla. You will get magnetic field at the center. Okay, calculation part you have to check. Okay, next question, next part 14 or 14 or. दिस इज रिलेटेड टू 14 और को हम बात कर रहे हैं, 14 का और पर देख रहे हैं. सोलोनॉइड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ सोलोनॉइड म्यू नॉट एन आई, वेयर एन इज नंबर डेंसिटी, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स पर यूनिट लेंथ. सो 4 पाई इनटू एन नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स, व्हाट वी हैव गिवन नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स 500 डिवाइडेड बाय लेंथ 1 centimeter 1 centimeter 1 into 10 power minus 2, and current is 5 ampere. So what we are having, just write this, 4 pi 25 into 10 to the power 2 and this 10 power plus 2, so this is 2500. Pi into 100 means 10 power 2, 10 power 2 and 10 power 2. So this is pi into 10 power 6 Tesla, like this. Okay, if there is any calculation mistake, then you can check out, but this is the whole answer of the question paper. I hope you got it. Now don't be disappointed, student of class 12th English medium. Okay, thank you.